everybody, welcome back to my channel, Red Elevator. The red elevator is behind me, and today I'm Nina Takesh, and today we're going to get into part 2 of the IKEA 2021 must-haves. Follow me. Since everybody asks, I'm going to quickly let you know that I am wearing jeans from H&M, which everything will be linked below for your review. It is a collab with Lee for H&M for better denim. My top I purchased from The Real, and it is by Parker. There were so many great items in 2021 that I wanted to share with you with IKEA that we had to do a part 2. So part 2 is gonna be very fun because it's going to include some accessories that I know you're gonna need and you're gonna want. Again, everything that I'm gonna talk about in this video will be linked below in the comments, so you don't have to get all worried and jot things down because everything's going to be waiting for you after you finish watching this video, which takes me to my next very nice ask, which is if you don't mind subscribing to this video, it will really help my channel. It takes one tiny second and I would really appreciate it. So the very first item that is one of my favorite decorative items for 2021 is the ARBETE bowl. Thank you, Beret, for sponsoring this video. Beret Beauty is Catherine Power's new cosmetic line from Who What Wear, and it is absolutely life-changing. Vegan, cruelty-free, delicious. It's a 5-minute makeup routine for your everyday life, and I will share with you in a little bit why I love Beret and how I apply it in my daily routine, and everything, of course, from the Beret line and what I wear and the colors that I use will be in the description box below, and you do not want to miss this. First, I apply a little bit of the all face concealer, which is called Sand, and I just apply a little bit where I need some coverage. And then I take my Beret brush and blend it thoroughly throughout my face. All you need is just a little bit of dabs on the areas that you want to conceal. Next, I put my rouge on, and my favorite Beret color at the moment is the Raspberry Beret. It's a lovely cheek color that is very creamy and delicious and really is nicely pigmented, so it looks like I have just been on a brisk walk. Then my favorite other item from Beret is their brow fixer, and this item is a wonderful sort of warming pigmented pomade, which I put on my brows, and I brush my brows, and I have the color brown, by the way, and I brush my brows upward to give it a little bit more life and texture. Lastly, I'm going to apply the lip gloss, which is absolutely divine. This color I am obsessed with. It's called Marrakech. It's their new color, and I literally wear this lipstick every single day. It's a beautiful gloss. It's not sticky. It doesn't have any weird odor. It's fresh, and it's just gorgeous on. This is life-changing, gorgeous, smooth, beautiful, fresh makeup that you are not going to want to miss. So my first item is going to be a decorative one, and it's the ARBETE bowl. It's geometric shape, and the fact that it is very utilitarian. You can have it as a decorative item in a kitchen, or you can put it on the table, as you can see in this photo, on this coffee table, and it really is something that I believe is quite elevated and will look great in your home. The next must-have item is called the PUDDA basket. These baskets are almost felt-like fabric baskets that have a beautiful shape to them and have a brass enclosure detail on them. I think that everyone should have these in as many places as possible. They are great for storage. They come in 2 different sizes for different needs, and they just look very elevated, and they look very clean, and they look very useful, and they're soft and pleasing to the eye, and they won't scratch the surface. I am obsessed with this next item. It's called the DELAKTIG. I hope I'm saying that correct. The DELAKTIG floor lamp is 63 inches high, and it's made of black metal, and it looks smashing. I mean, it literally looks smashing anywhere you put put this lamp. So floor lamps are kind of sculptural in my opinion. They can also act as decor and design. So it's not just for ambient lighting, but it's also a great piece, a conversational piece, and beautifully designed, very much in line with the mid-century sort of pieces that I absolutely love that look great in many spaces. If you love organization as much as I do, the GODMORGON is the next must-have item. It has a very beautiful smoked feel to it, so it is very 70s, and it sort of hides and camouflages the items that are inside, which is nice. There are two versions of this. The version that you're seeing here is the stacked 2-drawer, and the 2-drawer is easy open with a sort of circle pull. And the other ones are also very useful for knickknacks and trinkets that you can put on your desk, in your bathroom. It is, so there are so many uses for this item that it is just a home run. I'm always looking for new decorative bathroom items. I don't know why I'm obsessed with decor of bathroom decor, but the STORAVAN is one of those must-have easy items that you can put in your kitchen, you can put in your bathroom, you can put in your powder room. I love the combination of white and black. It's simple, it's easy, and why not? The next item I am extremely thrilled to present is the BERNHARD chair. The BERNHARD chair looks like a mid-century masterpiece. And what it is a very simple leather, sort of a golden brown leather chair with steel legs, very thin steel legs, that is extremely beautiful and minimal in its design, which makes it very impactful. So this is a home run as well, and I just absolutely love this chair. I would love it as dining room chairs. You could also use it as a single chair for an office desk. It has a lot of wonderful uses. A great way to invite nature in your home is to bring this particular chair right in. It's called the ULRIKSBERG. And yes, that is Swedish for chair. And the ULRIKSBERG is made of rattan and steel. So it's really bringing the outdoors in, bringing nature in, and it just looks wonderful. I would personally use this in the corner of a bedroom where you can throw a beautiful throw on it, you know, a nice little cozy blanket, or you can use it as 2 chairs in a living room, and it is just beautiful. The next chair that I'm introducing is an absolute winner, and it's called the BUSKBO. What I love about the BUSKBO is that it's different from the other chairs that I mentioned earlier. This is more of a club chair, meaning it's more of a decorative chair that you would lounge in. It's got this adorable white cushion that you can sit on, and it looks very natural. It's made of rattan, and it will definitely look great in a Scandinavian design or a mid-century home, and has that really beautiful curved arched back. The last item is called INDJUDEN, and it is a 2-tier stainless steel stand. And the reason that I'm recommending this on my top list is that you can create beautiful table settings with a 2-tier stand. Most homes that I go to when they're serving dinner or parties or whatever, forget that a 2-tier really is important for height. As you can see in this photo, you've got beautiful items that are placed in the stand and below the stand and around the stand. And this is great for high tea, it's great for a birthday party, and all around a must have. I told my videographer I wanted to film through the pussy willows, so this is him doing my crazy ideas. Anyway, I want to thank everyone for joining me on this episode of Red Elevator. I am so excited that I finally got to share this list with you. I had been curating it for a while, and I hope this was of value. I can't wait to see you guys next week. I'm going to ask you, please to subscribe, as it is hugely helpful so that I can continue making this content for you. And yes, this was done in one single take. See you next week.